So welcome back to today's class, and also welcome back to today's Post UTME Mathematics class for this upcoming Post UTME examination. So I have two questions here to solve. Okay, this question I want to do the correction of the question I gave in the previous class. Okay, I gave you these two questions here to solve in the previous class. Some of you submit it, and some of you you don't submit it. So some of you that submitted, you made a mistake. So I want to do the correction now, and how you can solve a question like this. Whenever you see this question in any of the question that maybe I write any mathematics exam, most especially this upcoming Post UTME, this question is 100% likely question will come out. So how do you solve it? Okay, for those of you that submitted, you try, but you made some error there. So with the help of this video, then you find where you made the error, so you can make adjustment to the that particular steps. So okay, guys. So if you are watching my video for the first time, do well to subscribe, like, or turn your button in case what you have benefit like this, you'll be the first to notify. So let's dive into the solution of the question here. Okay, this is the question 1. We have the question 1 here. We have the question 2 to solve in this video. So the question 1 says that if it is given that we have 5 raised power of s plus 1 plus 5 raised power of s is equal to 15, then the value of s is equal to, so we have our option. So let's quickly bring it out. We have a 5 raised power of s plus 1, okay, plus we have 5 raised power of s that be equal to, that is what, 150. Okay, so in this place now, this one is plus rather, plus there. So in this place now, if you still remember multiplication of indices, so this one is multiplication of indices there. So let's expand this according to the law of indices here. So we have our 5 raised power of s, okay, multiplied by, that is 5 raised power of 1, okay, so that is what we give this to be plus, that is our 5 raised power of s to be equal to, that is what, 150 rather. So the next thing here now, to make it easy, let's, this is with 5 raised power of s here, and we have 5 raised power of s here. So to simplify this, we done them is with somewhat difficult. Some of you, when you get to this place, you're convinced to solve it. So the best way to solve this question here from this place now, let's say this 5 raised, since 5 raised power of s is common here, it's also common here. So let's say 5 raised power of s to be certain letter. So let's say 5 raised power of s to be equal to a. So let's put a into anywhere you see 5 raised power of s. So let's put it here. So if you put a here, we have a multiplied by 5 raised power of 1 plus, that is a 5 raised power, that is a rather. We have changed this 5 raised power of s with what, a, that be equal to, that is 150. So in this place now, we have a 5 raised power of 5 times 5 raised power of 1, that is given 5a. So here we have 5a here, plus that is what, a equal to, that is 150. So the next here, I have 5a plus 5a plus a, I give us what, as this a is equal to 150. So let me take this one out there. So in this place, then to get the value of a, you divide both sides by a, divide both sides by 6, divide both sides by c, because I get the value of a. So this 6 cancels this here. You have 6 here, 1. You have 6 in 150, we have 25. So now the value of a is equal to 25. So now let's put this a into what to say that our let a to be equal to 5s equal to a now. So let's bring this one down, then we get the value of our, s. So if you put it back here, we have our a, since a is equal to 25, let's put it here. So we have our 5 raised power of s is equal to a, and a is equal to 25, we have 25. So you know, in this way, the base here is 5. Why the base here is 25? You know, you can spread this one 25 as 5 raised power 2. So to make this base and this part here to have the same base. So therefore, we have it as 5 raised power of s equal to, so I give 5 raised power of 2, because 5 raised power of 2 will give us 25. So therefore now, this since they have the same base, this base we cancel the base here. So it means that our s is equal to what? 2 here. So therefore, we have s is equal to 2. So the answer to this question is equal to 2. That is option D. Do you know that is very simple now? Okay, don't worry. So alright guys, welcome back. Let's dive into the second question now. So let me try to create more space. So the second question states that if root of 3 raised power of s equal to, that is a cube root of 9, then the value of s is, okay, to solve this one is also simple. It's also simple. Let me take my pen out. to solve it is also simple. Okay guys, so let me write it here. Okay, let me write it here. We have the root of 3 raised power of s equal to, that is the cube root of 9. Okay, this one is 3 here, that's cube root of 9. So in this place now, what we just have to do here now, the first thing that the easiest way you can solve this question, the fastest way to solve this question is to take the square of both sides. Okay, because we are looking for the value of s. So to get the value of s here, it's very easy to take the square of the both sides. So and take the square of both sides, right? So when you take the square of both sides there, square of this, also we take the square root of what? The square of this. So this 2 here, we count the square root here. So here we have what we left with, so 3 raised power of s is equal to, so in this place now, if you still remember root of, according to the law of indices, this cube root of this 9 can be written as 9 raised power of 1 over 3. So that is the meaning of this cube root of this 9, and it's also raised power of what? Of 2. And in this place now, you can apply what power there? This is called what? Power. Like according to the law of indices, we have a power law of indices. We have the first power and series with another power. So when you open the bracket here, we have a 3 raised power of s. Okay, that be equal to, that is 9 raised power of what? Of 1 times 2, that gives us 2 over, that is 3. So in this place, a 3 raised power of s here, why this way 9 raised power of 2 over 3? You know that this 9 can be expressed as 3 raised power of 2, that gave us what? 9. Okay, if you still remember that, if you want to write this 9 as index, so you can write it like this, that 3 raised power of 3 equal to, we have 3 raised power of 2, also it's 3 raised power of what? Of 2 over 3. So now we still apply the power index here. 2 times 2 will give us 4. So therefore now we have 3 raised power of s equal to, that is 3 raised power of what? Of 4 over, that is 4 over 3. Okay, so in this place now, since they have the same base, so this 3 will cancel this 3. So it means our s now is equal to, that is 4 over 3. So that is the answer to this question, guys. You can see that is very simple. So the option, there is the option, that is option 4 over 3. This is not this, is this. That's option B. So guys, that is solution to this question. So that is how you solve this question. You know that it's very simple, guys. So that comes to the end of the class today. So we shall meet in the next class. So guys, if you are joining my channel for the first time and wish to get the material that I'm using to take you guys, I will leave the link where you can get the material in the description below or in the comment section where you can get access to us. Or if you have any question you want to ask us, you can let us know, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share with your friend. Bye for now.